Gathered here are remarkable women from diverse districts, all united by a common thread, the transformative power of opportunity. They are the proud recipients of sewing machines and other related accessories from the United States Agency for International Development USAID's Empowered Children and Adolescent Program Ecap 3. Today, we witness the project's culmination as it graciously hands over 111 sewing machines to 6 districts, which include Chilanga, Kafiwe, Chongwe, Lusaka, Petauke, and Chipota. "184 beneficiaries are here to benefit from this initiative. During the handover ceremony, Dr. Lugana Nkoma, Chief of Party for USAID Ecap 3, emphasized that this event is not merely a formality, but a jubilant celebration of partnerships working in harmony to uplift women's livelihoods and their households.
I have come today to hand over these sewing machines to our beneficiaries, because we know that even as a program we need something that's sustainable, something that will go on even beyond Ecap. So this is the beginning of a partnership, or is it a continued partnership with the beneficiaries. For these machines, we have been using them to make reusable pads for our adolescents, girls who are in schools, and these pads help them as they not miss classes. They are able to wash and use them again. So we are expecting, even as we are handing them over, that even you as beneficiaries will continue to support us with making those reusable pads. But beyond the pads for the program, which will be providing the material for you to do, we expect you to use these for the benefit of your households. As a program, we've been enrolling households, putting them on our program, and expecting them to be economically empowered.
Meanwhile, guest of honor Constance Bulawayo, Assistant Community Development Officer, Ministry of Community Development and Social Services, thanked Ecap 3 for the generosity, stating that it will go a long way in uplifting the lives of the beneficiaries.
To our mothers and the women of Mandevu, we urge you to put these machines to good use. Do not fight each other because of the machines. Do not sell them. This is a donation that has been given to us so that we uplift the standards of our lives in the homes where we're coming from.
Other members of the USAID Ecap 3 had this to say.
So tuzami pempani to make sure out of these machines, improve your businesses. Okay? So that if collectively you work together as a team through my linkages work about Dr. Lugano, you are able to even win bigger tenders. You can win a bigger tender from a school. Maybe they tell you tungani maybe my uniform yari 1,000. Please don't keep it to yourself. We want you to work in pairs. Kusemeza ma pairs. Mushe babiri. The money you make, the profit you make, you share.
Tuktumkatenga machines ya mwendo ya parking ai. Hii ni capital ya mipasa ini. 1 year from now tukabwela tipita munote tapozeche kuichea mene machine tina mipasa ini. At least after 1 year muliko na 2 manje mnachitapo ataini.
Some beneficiaries talked to thanked Ecap 3 for the sewing machines, stating that it has given them the ability to generate income and support their families.
Komo palima mashine niwatiletera nga pasaidi yanga zantandizako ndani na bana disabled babiri ima nkashena upanyumba so mananetera mashine zakutandizikira kutandiza bana babiri
kalibe kuonga maningi nyonga kuli bantu bamene batibweresera mamashini aba koma naonga zikomo maningi naongerako na bazimayi banzanga bonse zikomo bana mayo mwe bantu n'abatuwe bakale kambati aya mamashini amene baleta sima mashini akambati ndechangazike mu nyumba yankale na nguwe teni titunge tipunziseko na banzatu
tiyeni mwana watipasira ama mashini mwamvera vane wakambaini tiyeni tiyasebenzese na mpamvu because ija ni kaptoini muntu atipunzisa mogwiri ansomba.
Abia Shiku, the school support coordinator for the Usaid Ecap 3, encouraged beneficiaries to collaborate harmoniously within their groups and emphasized the importance of acquiring additional sewing machines to enhance and expand their businesses.
So tikampasani mashini tifuna moyo wanu wende pasogolo. So pe muzaika mashini mwenekera mwaganiza buno bwino mukachita decide tifuna ika mu shop ni bandani balipira renti ndi mwai tifuna from the word go poyamba i program yankala mu manja mwano.
Launched on October 1st, 2020, the Usaid Ecap 3 is a 5-year initiative funded by the United States President's Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief PEPFAR through the United States Agency for International Development, USAID. The Center for Infectious Disease Research in Zambia, Usaid, is a prime program implementer with technical support from Project Hope on community interventions and case management.